What is a VVT engine knock and how do I fix it?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that causes concern for many car owners, the notorious VVT engine knock. If you've been puzzled by this term or you've been experiencing this issue with your vehicle, you've come to the right place. We'll delve into what this engine knock is, why it happens, and more importantly, how to fix it.
What is a VVT engine?
First, it's important to understand what we mean by a VVT engine. VVT stands for variable valve timing. It's a technology used in most modern engines to offer better performance, fuel efficiency, and lower emissions. The VVT system adjusts the timing of the intake and/or exhaust valves to optimize engine performance at different speeds and loads.
What is an engine knock?
Engine knock is a term used to describe a knocking sound that you'll hear when the air-fuel mixture in the cylinders is detonating in more than one place at a time. This abnormal combustion leads to knock-like sounds. It's also called pinging or knocking, as it often sounds like someone knocking on a door or pinging a metal surface.
Why does a VVT engine knock?
The main reason why a VVT engine would knock is usually due to a malfunctioning VVT system. It could be because of poor oil quality, lack of oil changes, or a faulty component in the VVT system itself. Other possible reasons could be an incorrect air-fuel mixture, or the spark plugs firing at the wrong time.
How can I fix a VVT engine knock?
Fixing a VVT engine knock largely depends on its cause. 1. Change the oil regularly. Always ensure that your engine oil is of good quality and it's changed regularly as per the manufacturer's recommendation. Poor oil quality can cause the VVT system to stick or malfunction. 2. Check the spark plugs. If your spark plugs are old or faulty, they may cause the engine to knock. Replace them if necessary. 3. Inspect the VVT system. Have a professional check your VVT system for any faults or damages. This could include the VVT solenoid, VVT controller, timing chain, belt, etc. 4. Check the fuel system. A faulty fuel system can also lead to engine knock. This includes components like the fuel pump, fuel filter, or fuel injectors. Remember, if you're unsure or uncomfortable doing any of these, it's best to take your vehicle to a professional mechanic. Ignoring engine knock can lead to severe damage over time, so it's important to address it promptly. Well, there you have it. That's all you need to know about a VVT engine knock. We've discussed what a VVT engine and engine knock are, why it happens, and how you can go about fixing it. Remember, proper maintenance and timely inspections are key to preventing engine knock and ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. Stay safe and happy driving.